Listen, I'm sorry about the little bit of dust on this car. It's been sitting here for a few days. We're waiting for the customer to pick it up, but this car was beautiful. Man, you got a 2024 Escalade on 30-inch Forgiatos. Now, we said he wanted something matte. He wanted something really sleek. So he matted out the vehicle. So you got a satin matte wrap, and then he matted the wheels out. It's a little dirty right now, but he did a gloss lip. Did a gloss lip on there, man. Looks really good. Listen, Escalade, people say 30s can't fit on a vehicle. It can with a little bit of modification. You can put 30s on this vehicle and drive it. And when you put 30s on this truck, it just looks so good. It fits the vehicle perfect on this vehicle. And you got a classy Escalade, everything matted out, everything gloss. All the accents are gloss black accents everywhere. Gloss black the grill. That two-tone effect is so important. You have that really nice two-tone effect. It's an aggressive-looking vehicle. My man said, listen, I want something that looks sleek and sexy. It's like this is like if Batman had a truck. This would be his truck right here, man. I'm telling you guys, man. I'm telling you. Coast to Coast Customs, always something different, man. Peace.
I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through.
What's going on, guys? This is Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and now we're gonna go for a ride in this beautiful Escalade on 30s, right? People think, oh, it's too big for the vehicle. Car will drive no problem, makes complete U-turns on the vehicle. He can get in and out. He drives it like it looks like it's on factory. But I'm telling you, when people say, oh, they call you on the phone and says, oh, 6s are the biggest, 6s are the biggest, maybe a 28. No, you could put 30s on these new trucks, man. Get ordering the right offset, the right bolt pattern, the right tire. You might have to do a little modification in the front, but it's no big deal. There's always something different. Listen, there's always something different going on at Coast to Coast Customs. It's a little ringing door. Hold up a second. Put my seatbelt on, man. I should be driving around with my seatbelt anyways, probably. But we're just taking it for a test drive. That's it, man. Cadillac's a beautiful truck, man. Drives like factory. That's like a Cadillac. We all know how a Cadillac's supposed to drive. It's supposed to float. This thing floats no problem at all. And it drives great. Yeah, man, people always have to do something different, man. It's just like, that's the biggest importance, is to stand out, right? You're building this vehicle to stand out from every other Cadillac Escalade, right? We've done probably 10 this last week on these new Escalades. And everyone has to do their own little niche to it, to have their vehicle stand out completely different than everybody else's. It's super important, man. Coast to Coast is always doing something different. Keep people moving.
Yeah! Ooh! No watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah! New watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. Need no middleman, I'm the man to man, send it in. I like what I like, me, I know my rights is sipping in. I like having fun, I do what I want, it's what it is. For my son and son, for my daughters, yeah, it's for my twin. I work through the night, I do what I like, get a check, I go for the ride. I've been down the ride for the win, still move on the hush, never run for none. I face my fears, I just drop a 9, month to month, still from year to year. No watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. Get some checks, I invest, and I spend a check. Spend a check, get it back, then I take a rest. Only race is the human, I take care of my skin. I was doing this as a rookie, now I'm up to vet. Set the trend, set the pace of play. I don't trip, but if I fall, bet I make a way. I take trips in the fall, watch the leaves change. I like to treat every day like it's my D-Day. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich.